Introduce features interest for MEETSUN Camping Cookware Mess Kit, 37 pieces, large size, hanging pot pan kettle with camping cooking set, carry bag for 6 person, cups dishes forks spoons, knives kit for outdoor camping hiking picnic. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification type brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Safe, compact, and fast. The mess kit camping pots and kettle are made of aluminum, which is lightweight and fast in heat conduction. It not only saves your time and fuel, but also is easy to clean. The handle of the pot is made of heat-resistant material and has a non-slip design to ensure safety. The stainless steel cups have silicone protectors, and the stainless steel cutleries are foldable to use them safely. Meet all the needs of camping cooking. The 37 pieces camping cookware kit is perfect for 6 people and more. It includes 4-liter hanging pot, 3-liter cooking pot, 1.4-liter saucepan, 1.5-liter camping kettle, 6 cups, 6 plates, 6 folding stainless steel cutlery sets, spoons, knives, forks, 1 cleaning brush, 1 spatula, 1 durable carry bag. Good helper for outdoor camping cooking, all in a compact package. The mess kit lid design and folding handle make the space smaller and easy to store in a durable bag. Ultra lightweight nesting camping cooking set, which can reduce the weight and space of the travel backpack. Portable and lightweight. Multi-purpose cookware set. The large size pot can be hung over the fire or just put on open fire. All the pot pan and kettle can be not only used with gas tank but also firewood. Whether you want to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner with friends, or go hiking, camping, romantic picnics, and overnight trips, it will help you a lot. It can accommodate 6 and more people. Best gift for outdoor lover. Camping cookers are equipped with all your kitchen utensils necessities and provide an ideal solution for outdoor boiling water and cooking food. This is your essential outdoor adventure equipment gear, for camping, hiking and picnic. Enjoy the best outdoor entertainment with family and friends. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.